I think it is slightly a surprise because a lot of people have been talking about the effect on consumption, etc. However, I think the World Bank have made probably the right decision by cutting global growth forecasts, because a lot of economies could actually be pushed into, maybe default on the back of this issue where oil prices, they're so reliant on their oil revenues. If they're not coming in and they've fallen so sharply, and it looks like oil prices are going to remain low for a long time, and that could really be a threat for some very large economies in the world. So I think they've done the right thing there. Absolutely. Whenever you talk about kind of ECB policy, there's always a political element to it. So having this ruling by the European Court of Justice actually pretty much go in the ECB's favour is a real sigh of relief, and does allow them to, maybe pave the way towards QE. Certainly makes it more likely to happen later this month. I personally don't think he will, because maybe the European Court of Justice has said that the OMT programme isn't illegal, but QE is a very different thing. We're not going to get Fed-style QE, we don't believe. We still don't think that the ECB's balance sheet will be boosted back to those 2012 levels, certainly not in the near term anyway. So there's a good chance that actually, even if they do announce a QE programme around about the 500 billion euro mark, that's not going to be enough to dent deflation, or to reverse that situation. So there's a real chance that Mario Draghi will have to go back to the drawing board in a few months' time. Well, French inflation has been falling, so it is absolutely expected. And it's not just France that's come under pressure. Greece, for example, prices are falling at a 2.6% annual rate. That is deep in deflation territory. So this isn't just a problem affecting one or two members of the Eurozone. It's affecting everyone. Even Germany is going to be affected by this. We've seen it in the UK, and it's likely that the US will. This will, obviously France being the second largest economy in the currency bloc, it is going to be a massive cause of concern for Draghi. And that's why essentially they have to act, because the larger economies in Europe are also struggling. It's not just the periphery like we've seen in the past. This is a problem that's really taken a firm grip of the entire Eurozone. So the ECB have to work within their mandate, and they really have to do something at this stage.